Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can use the convert function to convert measurements. So on the screen, I've got some examples. On the left side, I've got temperature, feet and inches, time and days, and then pounds to stones. Let's go through how you do that. So if I type in this cell, a temperature, let's go for 75 degrees Fahrenheit. What is that in Celsius? You start off with equals convert, open the bracket, click on the cell with the temperature in it, then you do a comma, open quotes, type what it is, whether it's Fahrenheit or centigrade, so F, close quotes, comma, open quotes again, to Celsius, close quotes, close bracket, press enter. So it gives you the temperature there. So if I go for 70 degrees, that's 21. And in the UK, 68, 20 degrees. That's what it normally is where I live. Don't get much hotter than that. Now, inches. So these little hyphenated sets of letters are what you need to put. So let's have a look at this one. So equal, let's put some inches in first. 200 inches equals convert that, comma, which is in inches, comma, to feet, close the bracket, press enter, and then change that to 12 inches equals 1 foot. So time in hours. So if I go for 24, and then you want it in days, so it's going to be equals convert, click on that, comma, in quotes, HR, close quotes, and then the word day in quotes, and then press enter, and it tells you that's 1 day. If I do 48, that's 2 days. And then pounds to stones, it's decimal stones, so it's not stones and ounces in this example. But if I go for 120 pounds, that should be 10 stones. So equals convert that, comma, in, now it's not just pounds, it's LBM in quotes, comma, and then the word stone also in quotes, and then press enter. 140 should be 10 stones, should I say. Get my maths right. That's it. Okay, so that's just a quick little video on how you can use the convert function to convert different elements depending what you're after. There's quite a big list if you go into the help of what you can actually use in terms of symbols. But what you've got to do is make sure that when you do the symbol, is it in capitals or not? Because it does make a difference. You'll get an error message if you put it in capitals and it's meant to be in lowercase like these ones. That's lowercase, but the temperature one had to be in capitals. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.